Hole number 7 today, gosh, it could have been more than an hour into play.
Don't walk in front of me. Don't walk in front of me.
They're going nuts. I'm thinking, why are they going nuts over it too? It looks like they were already on the green putting, whatever. I rushed down there. Ronnie Ekelund, ace number 7 today. So Ronnie aces number 7. I'm going to go up and ask him how many aces he's had. It's the second ace. He hit a 9-iron. I mean, a 6-iron. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. Anyway, it's a great shot line. What you don't know, okay, with Sean Dilgrand, who's sitting right next to you, Sean has kind of quietly sponsored a hole-in-one. So he didn't want anyone, you know how Sean, he doesn't like to advertise.
DG.
So anyway, Sean comes in around, he said, hey, I'd like to take care of a vehicle if somebody makes an ace. Okay, so we do it. So, what do you know? 2 holes in, Ronnie Ekelund aces the hole. So anyway, what do we have for him?
Yes,
Thank you guys for
absolutely.
Nice job, Sammy.
You gotta go. That's it. Awesome. He needs one.